morning, my dear students. How are you all? Dear students, today is the time for maths class. So I welcome everybody to the maths class. Dear students, today we are going to learn a new topic, that is subtraction of rational numbers. How to subtract the rational numbers and what are the properties of rational numbers in case of subtractions. How the properties can be applied in subtraction of rational numbers, and we are going to solve some questions from the exercise also. So come on, let us watch the video very carefully. Subtraction of rational numbers. Dear students, to subtract two rational numbers, we add the additive inverse of second numbers to the first number. Means with the first number we add the additive inverse of a second number. That's the rule for subtraction of rational numbers. Means add first rational number with the additive inverse of second rational number. This is the rule for subtracting two rational numbers. Just we see an example. Negative 3 upon 8 subtract 5 upon 24. So according to the rule, we are writing negative 3 upon 8. Here first rational number should be added with the additive inverse of second rational number. Second rational number 5 upon 24. Its additive inverse is negative 5 upon 24. Now we have to add this, because now both rational numbers, they are negative numbers. We have to add. In order to add, we have to find out the LCM. LCM is 24. LCM is equal to 24. How we find out LCM? We have to factorize like this. 8 and 24 we factorize. 2, 4 and 12. Then again by 2. 2 and 6. Again by 2. 1 and 6. 1 and 3. Next by 3. 1, 1. So when we multiply 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, 2s are 24. So the LCM is 24. In this way you have to find out the LCM. If you know the LCM directly, you can do that. Then here both this denominator should be changed to 24. But here one denominator is 24 only. Therefore this we have to change. In order to change that, 8 3s are, we multiply by 3. Plus negative 5 upon 24. The next step, 3 3s are 9. Negative 9 plus negative 5 upon 24. Both numbers are negative numbers, therefore we add is equal to negative 14 upon 24. So if it is possible to cut and reduce, we can cut and reduce. Here it is possible, by 2 we can cut. Then 2 7s are 14. This we divide by 2, and this also is equal to 12. Negative 7 upon 12. This or this. So I think you understood how to subtract. Always remember that subtraction means add first rational number by the additive inverse of a second rational number. You can see one more question. Subtract 5 upon 6 from 3 upon 4. Here word from is there, means from this number we have to subtract this number. So we rewrite in this way. 3 upon 4 subtract 5 upon 6. And here subtraction means addition of first rational number by the additive inverse of second rational number. So we rewrite 3 upon 4 plus subtraction changes to addition, and this changes to additive inverse, minus 5 upon 6. Now we take the LCM. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. We can find out like this. 6 and 4. 2, 3. LCM is 12. Therefore here both the denominator we have to take to 12. 3 upon 4. 4 should be multiplied by 3 in order to change 12. Then negative 5 upon 6. 6 should be multiplied by 2. Then we get 9 plus 9 upon 12 and negative 10 upon 12. Then 9 plus negative 10 upon 12. That is equal to negative 1 upon 12. So students, in this way we subtract two rational numbers. I think from these examples you understood how to subtract the rational numbers. Next we learn the properties of subtraction. We are not going to learn detailed way because in addition we have studied that, so you know that all the properties. So first property, closure property. The closure property says that when we, in addition it says that when we add two rational numbers, the result will be another rational number. But in subtraction, when we subtract two rational numbers, we get another rational number or not? Yes, when we subtract two rational numbers, the result also will be a rational number. So it is true in case of subtraction also. But in commutative property, in addition we have studied that when we add two rational numbers, if the order is changed, it will not affect the result. Result will be the same. But in subtraction, what happens when we change the order, it will affect the result. We won't get the same answer. Therefore, commutative property does not hold true in case of subtraction. Next property is associative property. Here associative property also, when we change the order of grouping in subtraction, we will not get the same answer. In addition, even though we change the order of grouping, answer will be same, but in subtraction it will not be true. Therefore, this also does not hold true. Then next, existence of identity. In addition, we have studied that if 0 is added to any number or any number is added to 0, the result will be the same. Identity of that number will not change. The value of that number will not change. But in subtraction, if we add 0 to any rational number or with from 0 in a rational number is, but in subtraction if we subtract 0 from a rational number or from 0 in a rational number, 0 is subtracted, the answer will not be same. So there is no existence of identity. This property also does not hold true in case of subtraction. Then existence of inverse. In addition, we have studied that if a rational number is added with its additive inverse, answer will be 0. That means there exists a rational number inverse of any other rational numbers. But in subtraction, when we subtract a rational number, the additive inverse from a rational number, then we won't get 0. There is no such additive inverse in case of subtraction. We will get another number only. So here also does not hold. So students, in subtraction, closure property only will be true and all other property will not be true in case of a subtraction. Means the result will not be same in case of subtraction of rational numbers. So these are the properties. We won't write properties detailed. You just understand only which property it will hold true or not. That only you want to understand. Now listen, we are going to solve some exercise question. Exercise 1.3. Subtract the following rational number. So to subtract these numbers, we have to add first rational numbers by the additive inverse of second rational numbers, and we have to make the denominator equal also. So here we rewrite as it is: negative 3 upon 9 plus negative 5 upon 7, and LCM of 9 and 7 is 63. So here negative 3 upon 9 into 7 plus negative 5 upon 7 into 9. So we get negative 21 upon 63 plus negative 45 upon 63. That's equal to negative 21 plus negative 45 upon 63. That is equal to 66 upon 63. So both numbers are negative numbers, therefore we write here negative symbol. Then negative 66 upon 63. That both numbers we can cut by 3 itself. Upon 21. Negative 22 upon 21. Okay. So one more example I will show that from the exercise. Subtract negative 10 from 6 3 upon 4. Negative 6 3 upon 4. This is a mixed fraction. So first we rewrite. From this number we have to subtract. Therefore, negative 6 3 upon 4 minus 10. 10 means 10 by 1. So here we rewrite, change it into improper fraction. 27 upon 4. And subtraction means addition with additive inverse. 10 upon 1 changes to 10 upon, negative 10 upon 1 changes to 10 upon 1. So here mixed fraction we change to improper fraction. How to change mixed fraction to improper fraction? We multiply this to 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27 that we write in numerator and write the same denominator. Now we are going to add this. For addition we have to find out the LCM. LCM of 4 and 1 is 4 only. Therefore we write this number as it is. Negative 27 upon 4 plus 10 upon 1 into 4. Here also 4. So we get negative 27 plus 40 upon 4. When we add, we get one is negative, another is positive. We have to subtract. Is equal to 13. 13 upon 4. As the bigger number is positive, we write here positive symbol. So 13 upon 4 is the answer. So students, I think that you understood this question and you can solve the remaining question. There are many questions in that part. So I think you can solve the remaining questions by yourself, because already 4 example we have shown. So and that you can write by yourself. Students, the second question I will solve here itself in the textbook. You also can write the answer here itself. We have to say that whether these statements are true or false according to the property. Here you see that 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. Here 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 means the order is changed. In subtraction, commutative property. If order is changed, you won't get the same answer. So it is false. Second, associative property, and here subtraction. You have studied in the property that associative property also will be false. Does not hold true. That means it will be false. And here from any number 0 is subtracted, then we get the same number. But from 0 this number is subtracted, we will not get the same number. So here it is true, because from this number 0 is subtracted, then same number only. So it is true. And here from a number its additive inverse is subtracted, then we get 0. But additive inverse property does not hold true in case of subtraction of rational numbers. That means from a number its additive inverse subtracted, we won't get 0. It is also false. And here from 3 upon 4, 1 by 2 is subtracted, then 1 upon 4. We can see here LCM is 4, we can multiply here. That means here 2 upon 4. when we find out the LCM. So 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 4 only. So this is true. And from 0, one number is subtracted. Then here same number, but it is wrong because it will be negative. Then only negative 4 upon 9. Then only it will be true. Otherwise it is a false. So this also false. So these are the answers of this question that you do yourselves. And I am going to solve third question. Subtract the sum of these two from the sum of these two numbers. Means from the sum of these two numbers we have subtracted this number. So I am going to rewrite it in the same form. From the sum of this number, sum means addition. So from the sum of these two numbers, we subtract the sum of next two numbers, means 5 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9. So this is mathematical form. If you write, it will be like this. From the sum of these two numbers, from the sum of these two, sum means addition, we have to subtract the sum of these two numbers. So we do it together afterwards. Here we want to find out the LCM. For finding the sum, 11 and 9, 99 is the LCM. Therefore, we have to convert 3 upon 9 here into 11. And here already no need to find out LCM because denominators are same. So 5 plus 4 upon 9. Then here 63 upon 99 plus 33 upon 99 minus 9 upon 9. 9 upon 9 means you know that it is 1. So here, so when we add this, we get 96 upon 99 and here 9 upon 9. Again, here subtraction means addition with the additive inverse. So we subtract that 96 upon 99 plus its additive inverse of this is negative 9 upon 9. Then we find out the LCM. LCM is 99 only, 9 and 99, LCM 99. We have to multiply here by 11. So we get 96 upon 99 plus negative 99 upon 99. That is equal to 96 plus minus 99 divided by 99. So it is equal to 96 minus 99 is equal to negative 3 upon 99. These numbers can be cut and reduced by 3 itself. So we get 3 ones are 3, negative 1 and 33 3s are 99. So negative 1 upon 33 is the answer of this question. So students, today we stop here. The remaining questions we will solve in our next class. I think today's all solution you have understood well, and if any doubts regarding any of these solutions, any questions, you can ask me and clear your doubt through Google Meet. So students, you use that opportunity to come into Google Meet and clearing your doubts. So thank you for watching today's video. I wish you a nice day and be safe yourself at your home. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day once again.